No to już 17 lat, jak usiłuję skręcić koniec końcem przy pomocy katarynki i...
It has been 17 years since I have been trying to make ends meet playing the barrel organ. Since the beginning, I have had a parrot as my companion. At first, it has been the Eastern Rosella, which I had taken over, together with the barrel organ, from the previous organ grinder, and this parrot continues to accompany me. My second parrot was an Amazon, which unfortunately was shrieking all the time here at the market, until the local inhabitants made complaints about those loud shrieks. Later, a friend of mine who was traveling abroad gave me Carlos the macaw, which has been with me for 7 years now. Carlos was 1 year old when I got him, and now he is 8. He is very sociable pet, but at the same time a disorderly and malicious parrot depending on his mood. All in one. Aren't you? Hello, Carlos. There are kids here, so let's play the organ for them.
Papuga Carlos towarzyszy mi praktycznie...
Carlos accompanies me everywhere. He goes with me to schools and kindergartens. During my performances for children and teenagers, where he is an attraction in itself. Once or twice I heard enthusiastic remarks when some organ grinder allowed children to play his barrel organ. Playing my organ by children is a routine, but it is the last part of my performance. Before it, I tell about the history and construction of barrel organs. I also play with Carlos and tell about parrots. Children ask questions. My performance is a lesson in history combined with a lesson in love for animals and nature. Parrot company is a tradition of Polish organ grinders. This tradition is connected with the old Polish song about an organ grinder and his parrot. Maybe I will play that song. This would be appropriate to the situation.
Nauczył się pstrykać z nakrętek.
Carlos learned how to snap bottle caps. After each snapping, he laughs. He snatched my bow tie, so I look strange now. Go a bit. And he is shrieking at me now. When he lets me go, I will fix it to look nice again. I try not to pamper him, but I fail. Well, he's only 8 years old, and I'm almost 60.